Hello, viewers and friends. I am Pastor Barrister E.N. Odinukwe, the Assam Pastor of the Watchman Catholic Charismatic Renewal Movement, Owerri Agdayos. I am pleased to invite you to Owerri City-wide Crusade 25. Friends, this year's Crusade is special. It is power-packed. It shall be explosive. The Crusade promises that every participant shall go with the fullness of God's blessings. The theme is That Man of Calvary. That's the theme. That Man of Calvary. You may have heard about Calvary, but I want to tell you that this crusade offers you an experience that you will never forget in life. Come, there are problems, there are challenges. The Man of Calvary shall meet you at the point of your needs. The date for the crusade is Thursday, 27th to Sunday, 30th of November, 2025. The venue is Owerri City Secondary School along Wetheral Road, opposite Anyiam Stadium. And we have viewing centers in all our districts, such as Uguta, Ebema, Ohoma, Oba, Mbito, Ikeduru East, Ikeduru West, Emekuku, Ngopal, Ara, Ohuba, Ohaji. And all the places we have having viewing centers. Just ask, they will direct you to where it is. Make sure you are in that. Time for it is 5 p.m. daily. May the Lord bless you as you come there. Thank you very much.